coming, but how will all this impact our Indian markets? We have a team of researchers joining in with us to set you up for trade as well as tell you which are the important stocks to watch out for. Let's go across to Vamakshi, who's here to tell us and set us up for today's trading session. Good morning, Vamakshi. What are we watching out for in today's trading session? Seems like a bit of a negative start, at least is what the implied open is indicating.
Well, absolutely, Vinny. In fact, when you look at the markets yesterday, the broader indices continued to outperform the benchmarks. We saw Nifty mid-cap as well as the small-cap index gain over 1% yesterday. And top gainers included companies like Godrej Industries, Rajesh Exports as well as NetApp. All of these counters had a very good trading session yesterday. On the other hand, when we look at the Nifty, it continues to consolidate over the last 4 sessions. It did manage to recover from the initial lows that we saw. It bounced back, but it managed to still hold on to that 22,900 mark. As far as themes are concerned, yesterday again was a day of stock-specific action. Nifty Metal was the top sectoral gainer. We also had the Nifty PSU banks, which was up and away in the trading session yesterday. Bank of India, Punjab Sind Bank, as well as PNB. All of these counters were flying away in trade yesterday. Capital market theme stocks continue to be in focus. We had BSC surge 8% on the day before, and yesterday as well, the stock was up somewhere around 4 to 5%. Angel One, KFIN were some other counters that were buzzing in trade. As far as the US markets are concerned, all 3 indices ended in the red. The US markets retreated from the previous session, and that is because there was disappointing guidance from Walmart, which sparked some concern around the health of the consumer. As far as the trading session today is concerned, we will be keeping an eye out on RBI's MPC meeting minutes. India's S&P Global Manufacturing as well as Services PMI data will also be made available today. Same for US. We'll also be keeping an eye out on Quality Power. The company is expected to list it on bourses today, so watch out for that. As of now, when we look at the handover coming in from the US markets, it's not positive, and the GIFT Nifty too is indicating a negative start to the trading session today.
Okay, Vamakshi, thank you so much for that. But let's get across to which are the important stocks to watch out for in today's trading session. Let's start with Cipla. Couple of news flows coming in here. One, they've gotten a US FDA approval, and this is for a new drug that is nilotinib capsules, which is used for the treatment of chronic myeloid leukemia, which is expected to be launched in 2025, 2026 in the US market. It's a new drug, so yes, there is an opportunity to grow on this front. But they have received a US FDA issue has come in for 2 observations for its testing facility. This is in Navi Mumbai. So 2 observations is what they have received. Keep an eye out on that. Not a major impact coming in, but that is something to watch out for. Other than that, we also have Narayana Health that's in focus. Now they have laid foundation for 1 more hospital in Kolkata. 1,100 beds is what they're looking out for. This will be laid down over a period of 3 to 10 years. The initial investment they're making is 900 crores for the first phase of investments and first phase of release coming in and commercialization. Religare Enterprises, keep an eye out on that one. Berman family has acquired controlling stake in Religare Enterprises after the completion of open offer. Well, Norton, that's also in focus. They've appointed Venugopal Shanbag as the managing director of the company with effect from April 2025. JM Financials got a tax refund of 230 crores for assessment year 2008-2009, so could see some positive move coming in. NDPC Green Energy signed an MOU with Bharat Light and Power for pacing green energy objectives, so that should be in focus. RVNL's consortium with HFCL as well as Aerial Telecom Solutions has signed a project implementation agency agreement with BSNL. CIE Automotive, while we are seeing the profits of the company are up, the revenues are seeing a decline of 5.8%. Margins have seen a contraction of 40 basis points, so we could see a bit of a move coming in for CIE Automotive. And those are the important stocks that you should be keeping on your radar today at 9:15 a.m. when they open up in trade. But